In every kit comes the main assembly, the centerpiece, 2 spacers, the center locator, and for bolts there is the metric 4mm, 5, 6, the 10, and a single washer. For the tools that need to be used to install it, there's some Allen style keys and a 14 and 10mm socket. Begin by removing this M6 bolt. You can use a 10mm socket for this or a spanner. Next, remove this bolt here and using a 14mm socket or spanner. This can be installed with or without this aluminium housing. This is used for when the plastic timing belt covers are in place to seal off the dust coming in. If it's going to be kept in place, use just a single spacer, which goes as so. If it's going to be removed and the kit is going to be bolted directly to the head, use both. For this install, the housing is going to be kept in place, so only a single one of these spacers will be used. Starting off with the M6 bolt and the included washer, slide it through the base, and then using the smaller end and put it on loosely for now. Put it approximately into place and then let it hang. Using the 10mm bolt, or the shorter of the two, with the included washer, just tilt it across and put it all the way in finger tight. Now pushing this spacer just up out of the way, doesn't have to be accurate, do up the other bolt. With a 5mm Allen key, just do up this M6 bolt, followed by an 8mm for the other side. This one here can be done up quite tight. When the centerpiece is installed, care must be taken so that it sits dead flat before doing up the bolt. This is how it's correctly installed. If, for example, it was sitting up on the edge partially, the kit will be damaged. So make sure it clicks in nice and firm and then do up the bolt. Now with the centerpiece, use the longer 10mm bolt, slide it through. Now these pins locate with the slot in the cam pulley. On blacktop engines there's 2 slots, line it up with one that has the camshaft pin in it. Move it around till you can visibly see that it's sitting dead flat, and then do up the bolt. Once again, this can be done up quite tight, and the kit is now installed. Now we're ready to install the rotor button. Using the center locator and push this into place. Sometimes this can be quite stiff, but that's normal. If this ever needs to be removed for maintenance reasons, a normal M6 bolt can be wound in and it can be pulled back out. This piece missing here lines up with the locator on this, so just slide it into place until it fits into that slot. Using the M4 bolts that came with the kit, use an Allen key and do these up all the way. The last step is to put the distributor cap on. Just slide it into place and then use the M5 bolts. When ignition leads are set up, number 2 and 3 leads need to be swapped for the cylinders. This is due to running in the reverse direction.